Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hi, Ayman.
Ma'am, every day there be a meeting every day.
I didn't get you. What, Lizzie?
Good
Ma'am,
morning, ma'am.
Good
every day
morning.
will there be a
Good
meeting.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, those who are not turning on their camera, no attendance for them, okay? No attendance. Good. Hey, Alphabet background. Where's our mage background?
Yeah.
Amala, girls, you need to turn on your camera. Good job. Barida.
Amelia. Amelia.
Amila is here. I can see her.
Unless camera. Everyone's camera is off.
I think Lazel, your network is a bit weak. Everyone's
No,
camera is
you.
on. No, my camera is on.
Your network is on.
Your network is.
Me.
Okay, everyone has to be quiet for a minute, like 2 minutes. Everyone, freeze,
Uh,
freeze, freeze. Those who are talking now, next I'm going to be there.
No time
Okay.
macaroni and cheese.
Lazel, macaroni and cheese, macaroni and cheese. Let Ayman introduce himself. Lazel, let Ayman introduce himself.
My name is Muhammad Ayman Adil, and I'm studying in third class. And my favorite hobby is football, and I like to play football. It's for health. It's healthy because I play at morning, and
Would you like to make new friends? I mean, don't worry, you'll mingle very quickly because these guys talk a lot, like a lot. Yes, people, please welcome Ayman. Say hi. No hi. No hi.
hello.
Very nice, Barila.
Hi.
hi.
Hi, man. Hello.
Hiya, no attendance for you. No camera. Your camera is not on.
Hi, man.
So attendance to us.
Hiya, open my camera.
Hiya, I'll count in five. One,
Hiya,
two,
hiya.
hiya. Okay, five.
Yeah. Ma'am,
Five.
every day will there be a meeting every day.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, shall I show you the scoreboard of sports day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, there's another confusion. How do
Yeah.
you learn points?
Only two groups are
I'll let you
like
know. I'll let you know. I'll let you know.
and
You, you
Phoenix
have
How do
to,
you
Golden.
learn points? How do
you
you
have to give me like 5 minutes.
Ma'am, how do you
Um,
learn points? How do you
Good
learn points?
job, we are learning. High five.
Phoenix, yes.
Yay!
Yeah, how
Yay!
will you get the points? How will you get the
No.
points? Ma'am, I
One,
don't understand.
Milan, I'll let you. Give me 1 minute. Let me celebrate with my Phoenix team. Phoenix people, raise your hand. How many are Phoenix here? I see me, raise them only three. Congratulations to us. Okay, Milan, the way we get score is one participation score is there. So if you have participated, you will get the score. Then winning score is there. Someone's background is making sound.
Ma'am, wait, I am participating.
The new student.
I'm in. How do we say his name?
I know.
I
Ma'am, wait, I'm participating, right?
I'm in. I think your background is making a bit sound. Are you stuck? Stuck.
I think
Good.
he's stuck.
Hello.
Yes, Phoenix.
Phoenix,
Yes,
Winnie.
Phoenix. Okay. Now you have video competition. If you are participating, your team will get 1 point.
Ma'am, what is the video?
Video competition in which you will like showcase.
Phoenix, Phoenix,
Ma'am,
Phoenix.
I am participating, right?
Showcase what?
You were not here, Haya.
I
Okay.
was, but I don't remember what we're supposed to do.
People are saying shut up. No, no language like that in my class. You know that, right?
I just told when you were speaking, Millennium just mute her, not didn't speak. Somebody else told shut up.
Okay, everyone mute. Everyone mute. Everyone mute. Amila also mute. Okay, I'm going to show Haya the video because she has not seen. Haya, this is just a model. You have to showcase
Dude,
this.
I have seen, ma'am, I have seen. It's from the girl who was in the kindness assembly. I seen it.
Yeah, you have to showcase. Amila, what happened to your voice? You don't know. Okay, so you don't want to see the video.
No need.
Can you show me the video, ma'am? But I want to see the video.
Oh,
Me too, I
It
want to
was
see
good
the
though, like they're running, right? I understood. They're getting ready for the sports day.
I want to see
I am
the
showing. I am showing.
It was a great warm up. Sports meet Zenit 25, sports meet match hybrid training Sunday, November. Oh, that's a great editing.
Get ready for the most exciting event of the year. Zenith 2025.
Okay, let's go.
And
I think lately it was a bit weak.
let's show our spirit.
Let's reach level Zenith.
Go Zenith.
See,
Wait, is that girl? I don't know what her name is, but is
Yeah.
she in Team Griffin?
yes.
What is her name again? I forgot.
Ayman, you can turn on your camera. Ayman, you need to turn on the camera.
Bad daddy.
I turn on the camera already.
Wait,
Okay,
what
we are
about
not
the
able
what
to
about
see
the
you.
Hazel, you were cheering.
what
You were
about the
okay. You
boy?
were the first one to say, "I want to see the video."
Phoenix will get zero, okay?
No, Phoenix is going to win. Phoenix will
Phoenix
win.
is going to win only.
There are more Phoenix people
Team
here.
Phoenix, Team Phoenix, Team
Ma'am, Amila, Milan,
Okay, are you guys making the video?
I'll see. So we can
but
just run and
send
stuff
that
or
video
something.
to my WhatsApp.
Okay, yes. Also, one more thing. Yesterday, I thought this Barira, you guys did very well. The judges were very much impressed. But what happened, no? Our video was a bit small. And they used a lot of background and everything, right?
Friends, why didn't you take mine? I gave you last like
The deadline was over, Hazel. The deadline was over.
I don't know. I gave you like years
Ma'am,
ago.
for the sports video, the admin told us they gave one more week.
Yeah, no, we are talking about logo competition. He's talking about logo.
Yeah, I
Logo
You
has
gave
to
guys
be
you
the one who
submitted.
won.
year ago.
No, I gave. It's
Yeah,
not year ago. You gave after the deadline actually.
Ma'am, who
Yes.
won the?
or something.
Yes, you remember Zaira? Zaira?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know her.
She won. She did very well. Zaira.
Can you show
But
her?
I don't have her photo right
I
now.
know she thinks.
She went at the end. At the end, the one who went at the end. Do you remember that girl with the black dress? She used a lot of background to change the news. Like each
Current
minute,
AFC.
it's weather regarding weather. So Zaira was first. Sidra, you're late, Sidra. You're supposed to join in class.
What
Sidra, turn on
image
your camera.
happened to
Well,
May?
and she get a mask. That kid.
Sidra, please turn on your camera.
That one.
She also won the page one.
No, she only won this one. This logo that we selected was designed by her mother. Mama designed it. One of the students' mama. She won.
Can you see? Can you
Parents
see?
can logo.
Is it Aisha?
No, it's not Aisha,
Can
ma'am.
you see?
Can
Please,
we
please,
see the
come on,
logo?
come on.
Yeah, yeah,
Can you
logo.
see?
I am showing you the logo. Can you see here on top? This is the logo designed by the parents. On the scoreboard, on the top of the scoreboard.
Oh,
That
That is
logo
so
one.
good.
Right? It's so nice. So,
why
that
did they
parent.
not decide? What
How
did
did
he
they
say?
do that? That's so good. Like, yeah, I think she should have won. That's so good.
Yeah. See. Winning or losing doesn't matter. You're participating, that's what matter. Okay, so participate.
But I'm still sad that we're
Ma'am,
still
I am
playing.
participating.
Aishan, you need to participate. I mean, Aishan, our Phoenix has to win. So you guys need to
I
participate.
am participating.
No, do not participate.
Guys,
By the way, can you make
participate.
a video?
Barira, what are you doing? Focus in
Ma'am,
class, Barira.
I will take a video and send it to you, okay?
Color me the
Okay.
golden entire board.
As
Abdullah, please
soon
make a video.
No, I will make. I will make.
I'm making a video. I already
okay.
ordered the supply.
Whose period is it now, guys? Whose period is it?
Everyone make.
Okay.
It's ma'am. I mean English, Afla ma'am.
Mom is here. Okay, people, mom is here. Bye bye. Bye bye.
We will
Bye,
we will
ma'am.
win, Abdullah.
Yes.